Welcome to Unbelievable. Today we're gonna see a guy who can withstand the force of gravity. His name is Sir Banner, and here he is! Hello! Hello. How old were you when you started making stunts?
I was about 5 years old.
How did you discover that you could jump from high places without getting hurt?
I was in the swimming pool and I jumped down from the 20-foot springboard.
Anyone can do that.
Yes, but the pool was empty.
Whoa, so you fell 40 foot?
Something like that.
Well, this guy is crazy, but now we're going to make the stunt. Now Jeppe is going to crawl down the box.
Crawl down the box. Whoa, it's fat.
Whoa.
Oh my god!
How can he survive anything like that?
By using the G-force, he can get all his pain out of his body. It's fantastic. But when he's in the box, he only weighs 0.07 pound because of the G-force.
But why is he so dizzy when he gets out of the box?
It's normal because he is so concentrated when he is in the box.
And this was this day's Unbelievable. See ya.
You're unbelievable.
Welcome to the expert. Now let's see the clarion. Who can see what's happened with person?
I am the clarion. Hello. What's your name?
It's Kate.
Okay, Kate. I can see in this magic board that you will have got a new hair. Oh my god! I got a new hair! My god. Yes. And you will... Oh. And I can see in this board that you will do this painting. That's not going to happen. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, hello, Kate. Hello.
Expert, how did you do it?
I really don't know. I concentrate all my intelligence into my hand. It was a big gift I was born with. She's very good.
Do something else.
Okay. Kate. I can see. And you will be to a stuffed bird.
Oh my god!
Oh, how are you, Kate?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Chase me back now!
Not just now. Let's have some little fun.
No!
Okay. Abra. Cadabra. Oh my god, I can change back. Yes.
Expert, can you tell us how it works?
Yes, she have drink iced tea from a woman in Italy.
Ah, iced tea.
Yes, iced tea.
That's all for today.
She was very good.
You're unbelievable.
Hello and welcome to Incredible Things. Today we should talk to a professor that say he has made an energy drink that do 1,000 times faster. And Professor, what is this you have made?
A drink that will make me weak.
But can you prove it?
Yes, come here and drink the speed 1,000!
But I have not won in 30 years
drink.
and but I
Drink!
but I'm not all safe with it.
Run to this tree over there.
Fantastic! It worked! I cannot believe it. How's work?
It's a secret formula, but I can tell you that there was snake poison, underpants reed, and the secret chemical X.
But where could people buy it?
Here,
But how much it cost for that drink?
$9,999.
Okay. And that was all what we have to you today. Goodbye everyone, and we'll see you later.
You're unbelievable.
Hello and welcome to the Unbelievable Universe. Today we are going to see a fantastic diet pill. Her name is Betty Jo, and here she comes. Hello Betty Jo.
Hello.
What do you expect of the pill?
To be the new Miss in USA.
Whoa, okay. Don't set too high expectations. What is your favorite food?
Oh, I love popcorn, milkshake, hamburger, chocolate, cake.
Okay, that's fine. Come on, you can take the pill and run.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.
How does it feel to be thin again?
Oh, that's fantastic. I love it.
Dr. Housemates. How is that possible? What does the pill do?
It is the molecules in the pill that eats the fat. It is a state-of-the-art invention.
That is unbelievable. Don't you think that is overwhelming?
Oh, yeah, that is very much amazing. Now I can have a family and I will be happy. Oh, let me take some more, please.
Okay, you can take the rest.
Oh, thank you very much.
Can it be dangerous to take an overdose of the diet pill?
I don't know. The pill has never been tested before.
Whoa.
I wonder where she is.
I'll go out and see how she is.
You're unbelievable.
Here is Mad Mike, the disappearing guy.
Now will Mad Mike demonstrate that he can disappear.
Where is he?
Hey, up here, guys.
How can he do it?
He transformed his molecules in his body into air so he can transform them just like in Star Trek.
How did you discover that he could do it?
We were out shopping and then I just disappeared, like now.
You're unbelievable.
Welcome to Strange People. Today we have a man who can't control his arms. Hello! Oh, how do you feel? I feel very, very strange. Why? Because I can't control my arms. That must be tricky. Yeah, especially when I go to the bathroom. Another thing we have on having crazy people is the living dummy. Hello. How do you feel today? Can you talk?